Hello all. Today I will demonstrate you how to develop an application which use the toggle button in Android Kotlin. So let's start developing Android Studio project. First of all, you can click on Start New Android Studio project. Then you can click on Empty Activity. Then you can give the name of your application. I'm just giving the name of my application is Toggle Button Dim. Then here you can choose the language that whatever you want to choose. Here I am choosing the language that is Kotlin because I want to develop an application which have the toggle button and that I want to demonstrate in Kotlin. Let me clear what I want to do over here. I want to take a one toggle button and one image view. In image view I want to switch the image whenever user click on the toggle button. There are two images I have. One is for the bulb on and another is for the bulb off. You can copy your images and then you can just simply paste your images in resource drawable folder. Here in drawable folder you can place your images. I'm just copying my images, that is bulb off and bulb on. These are the two images that I have. Now I want to switch the image based on whenever the user click on toggle button. So let me move to the design first. Here this is my design. Here I'm just hiding this. I'm just first click on source system UI. Now here you can simply remove this text view. Now here you can search for the toggle button. You can simply move, drag and drop your toggle button over here. Then you can click on infer constraint because we are using the constraint layout. Then you can simply run your application and you can test over here in your emulator. You can just check that whenever you execute this application, you can just find that this toggle button having the option like on and off. Whenever user click on, I want to switch the image. So here you can just check, see, on, off. Now I want to add the image view over here. So simply you can just move, drag and drop image view over here. Then you can simply select the image. I want to set the bulb off. Then you can resize it if it is required. Then you can just move, drag and drop your image, and then you can click on info constraint. Then you can again test your application. Whenever you test your application, you can just check that whenever user click on any button, for example, I'm just clicking on off, on, off, on, but there is no change in this image because for this button I need to write the code. So I'm just moving to my main activity.kotlin file. Here in this Kotlin file you can simply write the code for your toggle button. So I'm just writing here toggle button dot set on click listener. Whenever user click on this toggle button, you can check for the condition if toggle button dot text dot to string is equal if it is on. Then what you want to do? If the toggle button dot text is on, then I want to change the image of my image view. So you can simply call image view dot set image resource r dot drawable dot bulb on. What if user click on off? Then you can simply write here else condition. Then image view dot set image resource r dot drawable dot bulb off. Now you can simply test your application and you can just check in emulator it is working or not. Here you can just check that whenever I click on, the on image is replaced over here. Whenever you click on off, then off image is available over here. So this is the way you can implement toggle button in Kotlin. That's it from my side. If you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you all.